Hi, I'm Aiman, and welcome back to one of my auto repair videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the battery from your bag in order to either recharge it or to replace it. And so, it's pretty simple. All I have to do is first we're going to disconnect the terminals. Then we're going to disconnect the cables from their harnesses. And then we're going to take these out, or loosen these, so that we can take the battery out. Of course, to remove the battery, you have to disconnect the battery, which is pretty easy. All you need is a 10mm socket, and you need to loosen both the negative and the positive terminals. Alright, let's disconnect this cable harness, and then pull this out and tuck it behind here. I'm gonna go under so that's easier for later. Now on the positive side. Okay, so as you can see, we can't fully remove the battery yet because these are still tied down. And so in order to loosen them, we're going to take our 10mm socket and loosen these rods. Okay, and so now that one's come fully off, and same on this side. Okay, so with them fully loosened, now we should be able to take them off. Alright, this one we can tuck off to the side, and we can tuck these off to the side for now, but we'll worry about that later. Okay, so the next step is we're going to take our 10mm socket and loosen these bolts here, holding this bracket down. Is this long enough? This might not be long enough. Yep. Okay. And I guess you only have to do one side, because already it's loose enough to just unhook on both sides. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Okay, so next we're going to take these discs here, and along with this bracket here, we're going to set it aside for later. With our battery, we can flip this up to reveal a carrying handle, and now we can just lift it out. There we go. And so I can show you right now. Absolutely nothing's happening. If you were curious, you're not going to get shocked. But anyway, if we have time, then we'll also do an installation. But if not, then this is where I'll end off the video. I'm Aiman, and thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and look at videos on EyeOnAiman, and I'll see you in the next one. If you're interested, go check out that video on replacing the alternator, and I'll see you there. But for now, I'm Aiman, and signing out.